Hello everybody, today in this video we'll see together how to delete read-only contacts from your phone in two different easy methods. So let's jump right into it. The first method, you have to go to your settings, scroll down until you find apps, tap on it, tap on manage apps. Once you're here, either scroll down to find the contacts app or just search for it. Once you find it, tap on it. From here, tap on storage and then tap on clear data. And here, once you tap on clear data, a small window will pop up. Once you tap on OK, all of the read-only contacts will be deleted permanently from your phone. Now let's go to the second method. The second method will be using a third-party app. Go to your Play Store and search for this app right here, Easy Contact Cleaner. Once you install it, it will be very easy to use, and one of its features is to clean up and remove unnecessary contacts. In this case, the read-only contacts that you have in your phone, and that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future solutions to such problems, and thank you for watching.